I went to Dead Horse Ranch State Park near Sedona, Arizona to try to find some southwestern birds. I had not birded much in the southwest, so a lot of the birds here were lifers, like this bridled titmouse and this verdin. I also found a common blackhawk, which despite its name isn't that common in the United States. The range barely sneaks into the country, and Dead Horse Ranch is one of the best places to find them. There were lots of other birds in the state park, like this black phoebe, great blue heron, Buick's wren, neotropic cormorant, American coot, gray-tailed grackle, and I capped the day off with a bald eagle flyover. Follow Blaze Birding for more.